Hey guys, Annie Falstidge, Lakefront Living Realty, back with what I'm gonna call the most amazing condo I have ever seen. In 15 years, this is the only standalone 5-bedroom, 4-bath condo I've seen with the most incredible amenities and views. But better yet, the sellers have redone this place from floor to ceiling with the most high-end luxury finishes and furnishings you will find. This master suite has the most incredible views, but check out this totally renovated luxury bath. You're gonna wanna see this place.